Am I controlling? And you didn't seem to think that I was controlling. Neither did you, Nick.
No, you are very
Oh,
controlling.
you think so?
Yeah,
Jason
you're super
thought so,
controlling.
and I don't know.
Yeah, you're super controlling.
As far as
of
making
things.
chips, it doesn't
That's
feel
funny.
like you're
That's
really
funny that you
controlling.
say
Well,
that.
because you won't give up, because you won't delegate these tasks that are menial tasks that you shouldn't be doing.
Okay, it's funny. 4 ways to stop being a control freak. 1, let go of your ego.
Yeah.
Take yourself down a notch. You're great, but so are
So
others.
I'll go to you on that, Jim, because you would think to yourself, okay, so as it relates to, Making Chips sponsorship quotes, you're the one that always sends that out, and you're like, well, nobody's going to make it look as pretty and nice and write as nice of an email.
Clear and concise is a better word.
Well, whatever. No, you just don't feel that anybody's going to do it as well as you do, and that's a problem because then you're never going. Your cup is always going to be overflowing, and you're never going to reach a level that you desire because you're always going to be
trying to micromanage.
yeah, or just doing it yourself.
You have to share the spotlight and let others use their skills. Believe it or not, you're not the best at everything.
No, I agree. Yeah.
This is good. This is great. 2, delegate to others. Start small. Train people how to do things if they aren't familiar. See what it feels like to rely on others to do the work. And enjoy how good it feels to watch them blossom with the added confidence you've shown in them. 3, acknowledge you can't control everything. Give yourself a break and learn to go with the flow now and again.
Yeah, so you need
Once you see everything works out fine or just fine without your intervention, you'll get more comfortable with the idea.
Yeah, I mean, you need to have a culture of, not or being accepting of people making the right mistakes. You know what I mean? So
Sure.
you need to, there's certain mistakes you don't want to make as it relates to the quality of your products and stuff like that. You should have a QC process for that. That's not what I'm referring to.
No.
But, there's other things where, people need to stumble over tasks and for you to be able to correct them, and that's kind of part of the process of them learning, but at the same time you have to have the right way to teach how to do something. One of the things that we do at Zengers is that we create videos for delegating tasks.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we'll create we'll use
You mean like a training video?
like you
told April how to do something.
Yeah,
I know what you mean. Yeah.
Right now, Lisa at my office is creating videos to delegate certain routine accounting tasks to April.
Yeah.
And she's just doing it she creates a video, and then she doesn't like to listen. So this is where, the thing, I went to Lisa and I said, so create a video and talk over the video. As you're doing the thing, you're explaining what you're doing while she's clicking through all the stuff.
Yeah.
And she was like, well, I don't like my voice. I'm like, okay, we'll come up with something else. No, I was okay with that. If she doesn't like her voice and she doesn't like to hear herself, that's fine. So it was her idea. She came up with the idea. She was like, okay, well, instead of talking through it, I'm going to put subtitles. So it's going to be a mute video, but then she puts subtitles under it to explain what she's doing. I was like, okay, that's fine. If you want to do that,
the video right to Pablo told me about it.
I don't even know how she did it. I don't know
It's
how.
super
Oh,
easy.
you're talking about Rev.
Yeah.
Where it puts the subtitles on there for you.
Exactly.
I don't know how. I'm
Costs
not,
like 10 cents.
But I'm not even coming up with a solution for her.
Right,
for
you
it.
just said-
She wanted to do subtitles instead of her voice, and I said that's fine. Just do the video as long as you're able to delegate it in a controlled quality process.
Right.
Then that's fine.
Yeah.
We're doing the same thing for our sales guys on how to use this new CRM, and they love it. They just watch. It's like how to fix your refrigerator. You watch a YouTube video and kind of follow along.
It's how everyone's learning nowadays.
Exactly.
Right?
We talked about this at the Akuma, Think conference, where they were talking about how they're integrating, PowerPoint presentations into the screens on their machine tools. So as it relates to machining a particular part, there could be steps in the process that are not native to the normal Akuma controls, but that they can control those things through this PowerPoint presentation. It could be flip the part over and fixture it this way, but now they're controlling the process instead of that being in somebody's brain, and then they have the opportunity of not doing it correctly the second time, or if you need somebody else to do it, you have that that process that you can delegate to somebody else. So this goes from back office stuff like accounting to even the shop level for a machinist.
That's a great idea. I'm already thinking about ways I can automate that process already by using that.
Yeah, and believe it or not, there's actually software out there where you can put together a lot of these step-by-step processes to control. I mean, EOS has a term for this. It's it's FBA. You want to have all of your processes documented. FBA means followed by all. So if you do something, it's followed by all. So everybody does it that same way.